Does it spin both directions? Yes. Does this thing bolt to the same bolt patterns as legacy spinning lights for the front of fire trucks? Yes. We designed it to be totally retrofittable. If you've got another product that looks similar in a similar application, you can pull the old one off, bolt this thing on, and it's a direct made up replacement. It'll give you all the functions and features of the Whirl-E-Bird in a traditional look and feel. The Whirl-E-Bird has a few different speed options that are controlled by a jumper inside. If you want to know how to change these things, reach out to the HiViz tech team and we can walk you through it. But basically it can go slow, medium, or fast being about 250 revolutions per minute. What happens if I tilt the light heads? This thing was designed so that the light head is actually physically attached to the body in a way that you can't turn it. But a lot of folks like to turn the light heads, even though in old school style fixtures, that caused the shaft and everything to get out of balance and could cause issues. So we kept the light heads perpendicular, they're attached and fixed. But what we did was we have an optic that has vertical slits in the optic around the outer edges, and that causes the light to diffract sideways. So you end up getting optically a very similar style of light than you would by having a traditional spinning light fixture with the light heads turns, but it stays balanced. And so the whole purpose of this thing was to be able to put it on a truck and make it super reliable. So we fixed attached the lights, but we give you optically the same style as having an off-angle light fixture, and I think you're gonna love it. Where can I get the Whirl-E-Bird? Well, you can get it anywhere you get a standard firetech product because it's also made by HiViz. So if that's a dealer or that's a truck manufacturer, it's available to the group of people that are already used to buying from HiViz Lighting as a company. What's cool though is if you need installation and that sort of stuff, we always recommend reaching out to your dealer. If you just want to grab the fixture though, it's available online at whirl-e-bird.com.